welcome back. It is Thursday. I hope you have hit the subscribe button. We are here to give you part two of our business credit webinar series. If you haven't already, please review last week's video to go over the business credit profile. This week, we're going to jump straight into content and we're going to go straight into tier one. So, what is tier one? So, in this tier and with all the tiers, the goal is to pay your invoice immediately upon receiving it or at least 7 to 10 days before it is due. This will allow your Paydex score to be at or above an 80. You're like, what is a Paydex score? Follow us to the next slide. I will tell you what a Paydex score is. So your tier one, you will hear in terms of net 30s, net 40s, 45, 60, 90s, or even 120. But what does this mean to you as a business owner? Basically, your net refers to the length of time you have to pay the total amount on the invoice. And then in business credit, there's only 3 business credit bureaus. That is the Dun& Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. Those are the 3 that you're trying to build your business credit with. What is a Paydex? The Paydex is the score that you generate, like your personal credit score, that you would generate that shows your credit history. You have 3 categories. You have high risk, you have low risk, and you have moderate. Our goal is to have you to be at the low risk in making your payments and paying your payments on time. In this tier one, and we are doing this without you having to personal guarantee anything, but you all will get a video of why it is important as a business owner to not only build your business credit with a personal guarantee and without, you will catch a video. Or if y'all want that video, drop a comment in below, say we want that video. In tier one, the goal here is to establish your trade line history and to help your business credit profile look healthy. I highly recommend that in this tier you get between 3 to 5 trade lines reporting before moving to the next tier. Tier one accounts, what you should know as a small business owner, a freelancer, a content creator, you should be budgeting your funds monthly or quarterly. Building your business credit with LPG will require you to have funds and or be generating some type of revenue in your business in order for you to make the necessary purchases to building your business credit. All net 30 vendors, let me tell you all this now. In 2022, vendors have changed a lot in how they report because it truly costs these companies to report your trade lines. Now, if you have our do it yourself business credit ebook, we provided additional information on how to obtain not only your business account with your banks, but recommendations for small businesses and small business owners on some banks that can definitely help you with building your business credit, obtaining your NAIC code, and why it's important, and learning how to check to make sure your business is not categorized as a high risk industry when creating your NAIC codes. Anything that has credit and investment, um, those terms in your business name will automatically create high risk categories for you, and your banks will have a hard time helping you fund your business credit. When doing business credit by yourself, it is really important to know that you should definitely do your due diligence and making sure that they are reporting. There are many vendors and there's many content out there that people just say, oh, let me go here, but don't really realize that it takes time and that you have to do your part in making sure that these vendors are truly reporting. The purpose of this tier, again, we discussed it earlier. The purpose of this one is to really truly help you establish a Paydex score, and establish beginning trade lines and building your business credit profile. Now, if you are adamant about not having your social security number used to generate your business credit, I would definitely recommend prior to starting in tier one, freeze your credit score, your personal, because oftentimes they may want to do a soft pull and you may want to know that they're doing a soft pull, but No time should you really be utilizing your social security number if you're trying to go this route of building your business credit without personal guaranteeing anything. You should always be using your EIN number on all of the applications, all of them. Now, we have vetted here at Growth and Prosperities the vendors that are truly, truly, truly reporting in 2022. You can use NAV Business Boost, and the coupon code that you use is 20 forever. You could use one or two gas cards, but I can tell you from experience and working with my clients personally with building their business credit, there are times when the gas card companies and vendors do not report. So you can truly take this 1 to 2 gas card, you can move it to tier 2. But if you're adamant and you need it, make sure you're doing your due diligence, making sure that they're reporting. And you all have already heard Uline, Granger, Home Depot, Pro Institutional, Quill, Platt, Brex, Sunbelt. All of these are good tier 1 vendor account. Again, as previously mentioned, in our DIY business credit ebook, we update that quarterly on vendors that are reporting. So my team spends hours and hours and hours looking, calling, verifying that these vendors are reporting in tier 1. This is a revolving document. So as we make changes to the documents, once you purchase it, you also will receive the most current version. So if you haven't already, stop, click the link below, and purchase our DIY business credit ebook. It will definitely help you through your journey as you're building your business credit by yourself. Again, we break down what companies are reporting to Dun& Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. This is a great tool to have in your back pocket as you're truly learning how to build your business credit. Now, there's a lot of frequently asked questions when building business credit. And I try to hit most of them in this tier 1 that we get a lot. But if there's questions that you have, put them in the comment section. Allow us to help you. If not, go to our website and book a consultation. We are here, and it's a free consultation. We're not trying to sell you anything, but you definitely can't ask us questions. More importantly, we do have a business credit program where we do everything for you from the start to finish. All you are responsible for as the business owner is signing your application and making your purchases. We do everything else. So if you're interested in learning about our business credit program, again, all those links are in our description. Check us out. We definitely have a program and a system that we'll do it for you. Why do it yourself when we could do it for you? But let's get into these frequently asked questions. What if my industry does not need these vendor accounts? Come in closer to your computer. Hear me when I say this. You can always utilize any of the vendor accounts that you need. They may not necessarily at that moment be something you need, but think of it globally. How can some of these vendors help you with your office space? Whether you have a home office or an actual physical office, you need markers, you need notepads, you need all of these small things and nuances to help your business grow. Think about it in that capacity. If you decide to get a vendor account with AutoZone, if you're writing your vehicle off as a vehicle expense in your business, guess what? You're still going to need AutoZone, whether you purchase your parts, whether you get things to keep your car clean. These are things that I hope that you can think outside the box of why you need it. I don't care what industry. You could be in fashion, you can be in photography, you can be a business consultant. These are some of the things that you would definitely need for your clients. Where do I go to see if vendor accounts are reported? One of the places that we know right now that is very beneficial for small business owner is NAV. NAV is a good place to go to see what is reporting. How soon should I be moving to tier 2? You should only be moving to tier 2 once we've seen that these vendors in tier 1s have been reporting. How much should I purchase each month? Anywhere between $50 to $100 to make sure that they are truly reporting. My business is not generating revenue. How do I make purchases? This is where you go into your crowdfunding. This is where you will ask your family, friends, your GoFundMe. If your business is not generating revenue, you will be able to still make purchases based off of your 9 to 5, and that is called owner expense. I can get into details when we have our event with our account. When you put money in your business, that also will help you with your tax write offs. So you can still use money that you're making, put it into your business bank account, and use that to make your purchases. I do not have time to purchase and check if the vendors are reporting. What should I do? If you're looking to scale and grow your business, this is part where delegation comes in. You need to delegate this task, and or you could come to Growth and Prosperity. Allow us to help you take away the work and the nuances of trying to build your business credit, and allow our program and our team to help you build your business credit. Again, that was just tier 1. Come back next Thursday as I break down tier 2 and probably tier 3. But my goal is to keep these videos short, sweet, and to the point. If you made it this far, drop the $ or business credit in the comment section to let me know you've made it to the end on how we can help you build your business credit. I look forward to seeing you all next Thursday.